Nice fat 74.
So we changed up from pilchards to mullet, and seconds later, bang, we're on. They love that mullet at night. Up until a couple of weeks ago, I'd only caught a handful of small barramundi in my entire life. Then 2 weeks ago, I started throwing pilchards in the Wells River. Since then, I've landed over 24 fish and lost about half as many, including some really big dogs. So I decided to start filming what actually happens out here. Not just the wins, but the losses too. And hope that someone else might enjoy the journey.
Frustration point. Yeah, absolutely destroying my life before anything to change. Some days are like this though. All great days of fishing on that bridge. So I just lost another fish. This braid choke. Now I thought it was a rod, so I had the tip replaced. Now it's still happening. I don't know if it's faulty braid or it's running on something on there and causing it to break. But that's 4 fish now I've lost. This braid.
Look at all those turtles. I got no chance.
I'm struggling to get out to where I used to fish. Nearly out of time and pilchard. I think I may have lost my only opportunity to catch one this morning. Hopefully I'll get a chance this afternoon. The storm stay away.
That's a pretty big fish too.
Pizza smells nice.
What are you doing? Don't worry about that, we're going to go down there. I was thinking you're going to be lighting it
I
up.
don't want to get under my spool.
Fair enough. Any luck? Any luck?
Yeah, we just got.
That's alright. Grading, I guess, to the Anarchy rod with the downgrade to the 5500. But my line is just ripping every time I catch a fish. Time for some new line, I think. Even if it's only a couple of weeks old. That's awesome, bud.
You want to see what else happened?
No, show us.
It's even got indicators on it. Watch where they are, though.
That's cool, bud. See you tomorrow. It's a barra. I got one. Get that camera out for us, bud. Bud. It's a big sucker. Oh yeah, she must be nearly 90. Yes, grab the phone and bring it down. And the bag, you need the bag, buddy. All right. That's it.
Nice fat 74.
Get the lines up.
Yes, everything's up. What's wrong?
Oh shit. Here she's deep in there. Oh, she's biting me. There she goes. There she goes. We'll pick them up.
Oh man, I need to take a break. Oh, I'll just catch it all.
Oh, whatever.